students, welcome to our channel Easy Tutorial All Solution. Today we have a topic polynomial of class 11th, chapter number 2. First, I am going to give a brief introduction of this polynomials. Polynomials name comes from Greek word. Poly means many and nomial means term. It can be called many terms. Now the definition. What is polynomial? Polynomial is an expression which is composed of three terms. First is constant, variable and exponents. What is constant and variable? Exponents are written on the board. Constant like 2, 30, 3/5 in any way. Variable x and y, exponents are powers which written on the side of a variable like v square. This is a polynomial which is made up of three terms: constant, variable, components, exponents. Those are combined with a mathematical operation like addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, which is formed polynomial equation, but never division by variable. I have written here, I have underlined this, but never divisible by variable. We can say the denominator will never be a variable like 2/x. Okay, now the example of polynomial equation is x square minus x plus 2. Now the type of polynomials. There are three types of polynomial: monomial, binomial and trinomial. Now we are going to solve some equations from NCERT book. Some viewers are demanding for solve these questions, which I am going to written here. If any problem related to this, you can comment me on my comment box. I will clear in my next video. Now I am going to solve some questions from NCERT book of class 9th, chapter number 2 and exercise number 2.2. Exercise 2.2 and the question number 2. Find P0, P1, P2 for each of the following. Now the question number is 2, where the equation is 2 plus t plus 2t square minus t cube. Now we are going to solve this. We taking value of 0 in place of t. Now second value of t is 1 and third value of t is 2. The equation is this: 2 plus, we putting the value of 0 in place of t, 0 plus 2 bracket 0 square minus 0 cube. After solving this, these becomes 0 and the value of this is 2. Here second, here value of t is 1. 2 bracket 1 square minus 1 cube. After solving this, 2 2s are minus 1 plus 1 cancel out here. Here 2 1s are 2 plus 2, it becomes 4. Now third, where the value of t is 2. 2 plus 2 bracket 2 square minus 2 cube. Here 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8. 8 plus 2 10, 10 plus 2 12. 12 minus 2 cube. 2 cube means 2 to the 4, 4 to the 8. 12 minus 8 is equals to 4. These are the answers. Now the second question from exercise number 2.3. Some students are asking for this question. Sorry, I have written with my hand because that duster is kept very far. Now the question is 1. Find the remainder. Here exercise number 2.3, question number 1. Find the remainder when x cube plus 3x square plus 3x plus 1 is divided by 5 plus 2x. The question is find the remainder when this equation is divided by this. When px is divided by 5 plus 2x, then remainder is p bracket minus 5 upon 2. Here we are 5 plus 2x. X is equals to minus 5 by 2. Okay. Now we are going to put the value of x in this equation. P minus 5 upon 2 is equals to, here in place of x I am putting the value of x is here minus 5 upon 2 cube plus 3 bracket minus 5 upon 2 square plus 3 bracket minus 5 upon 2 plus 1. The solution is 5 cube minus 125 upon 8 plus 5 square 25 into 3 75 upon 4 plus minus 5 3s are 15 upon 2 plus 1. Now taking LCM of this, it becomes 8 minus 125 plus 2 into 75 minus 15 4s are 60, and here plus 8. Minus 35 plus 8 upon 8 minus plus 125 plus 60 minus 150 plus 8. It becomes minus 35 plus 8 upon 8. The answer is minus 27 upon 8. This is the remainder value which comes from this equation. Now, if have any confusion related this topic, you can comment me in my comment box. Now, the term for the solution of last tricky question which I gave you yesterday. The question was, name the thing which comes once in a year, which comes once in a year, twice in a month, 4 times in a week, and 6 times in a day. I give some hint also. It is related to the maths. So, I am giving you one more hint. It is related to odd and even number. Okay, I am telling you. Once in a year. In a year we have 12 months. 12. 1 and 2. 12 months. In a month we have 31 days. In a week we have 7 days. In a day we have 1, 2, 3 like 12 in our watch. So once in a year, it means odd number. This is odd number. 1 is a odd number and 2 is a even number, which comes once in a year, twice month. 31, 1 and 3 both are odd number. Now twice in a month, 4 times in a week. Let's see. 7 days we have in a week. So 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 3, 5, 7. These are odd number which becomes in a week and 6 times in a day. I am making here a small watch. 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 times odd number comes in a day. Like this we are going to solve this trick question. Thanks for watching. Thank you so much. If you have any problem related to this problem, please comment in my comment box, and don't forget to share, like and subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.